Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to transfer photos from one Mac computer to another Mac computer using AirDrop. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to two Mac computers. For the purpose of this tutorial, we are using a MacBook Pro and the MacBook Air. You also need AirDrop, which is all built into the Mac computer itself. And so we're going to start this tutorial. For this tutorial, we also need photos. So let's now go all the way down to the dock, go to Finder, navigate to the folder that contains all the photos. And we also need to have the Bluetooth and Wi-Fi turned on for both machines when it comes to exchanging information. If these were turned off, we would not be able to use AirDrop unless they are turned on. And so let's now minimize Finder for the moment, go to the desktop, create a folder called Photos. You'll see why in a moment, why this is very easy as opposed to transferring 300 photos using drag and drop onto AirDrop. And so let's take all the photos that we need. We can group to kind, take the photos, highlight, right click, copy 10 items, minimize Finder for the moment, go to the new folder called Photos. Let's just increase the size of the window, paste 10 items. That's all done. Now we can go to AirDrop, wait for the MacBook Air to be discovered, which we can see on screen. Now take the photos, drag and drop onto the MacBook Air. Let's now drop that onto the MacBook Air. And we should see this pop up on screen. Let's now accept via the MacBook Air. And the photos have now been transferred to the Downloads folder on the MacBook Air. If we just click on that folder itself, and there we have it. All the photos transferred from one MacBook Pro to another MacBook Air using AirDrop. So we can now quit Finder, turn the attention back to the MacBook Pro, quit Finder. And so that's for this video. I'll see you guys on my next tutorial. Thanks for now.